besties, welcome back to my channel. Today is a super special collab video. It's the ultimate dupe collab. We have 27 channels involved, so I'm super excited. We're doing some inspired by items or dupe items that we found or that we have that we paid much less for than the original cost of the items. So can't wait to get in. I got a little box of stuff we're gonna go through. Also, by the way, this collab is hosted by Trendy True North and the loving Klutzes, so I will please make sure to visit their channels. Everybody, I think, is doing a giveaway. I'm also going to do a giveaway, so I will have a form for you to fill out down below in the description box and in the comment section. So make sure you go to that form and get it filled out. I'm going to be giving away a $50 gift card to your choice. You can either do Walmart, Amazon, maybe if you're not in the United States, if there's some other store like TK Maxx. I know, I just want to make sure that I can open it up internationally. So if you're international, please make sure to give on the giveaway. Also, I will have a playlist down below, so you can go to everybody's channel, get entered on all those channels, you guys. Everybody's doing a giveaway, so you have many chances to get in on a giveaway. All right, let's get this party started, shall we? I'm also going to try and make my video not super long because I know there's several other videos to watch. So I'm going to do my best to ship. Most of the stuff that I got, I actually bought either off of Amazon or Temu. If I can find the original price, I will, but I can tell you it's going to be way lower than, the cost of the branded item. But I will try. What I'm going to try and do is at least put the branded item, the cost of it, up on the screen. Because anything from Amazon or Temu is usually, quite a bit cheaper than the original item. So let's just start out with this item. I've showed this on my channel before. I have several of these. They are like a winter cap. I love these, you guys. If I can find the link, I will link this because this is probably one of my favorite purchases from Temu. It's a really nice cable knit. Very soft, and the inside has this lining that's very soft. But the reason I feel like this is kind of a dupe is because if you see this little insignia right here, it kind of looks like the MK brand, if you know what I'm saying. So I feel like that's kind of a dupe for that. Like, because when I first saw it, I was like, does that say, even for a hot second, I was like, does that say MK on it? But these are so stinking cute on. You know what? Let me put it on for you because I love these. If you can find the link, or if I can find the link, I will definitely link it. One, they are super comfortable, okay? And you can like pull, if you want to pull your ponytail or bun out, you can. So I absolutely love these. They're super comfortable, very form-fitting, but very comfortable. They stay in place and they're very warm. So love these. I have this in probably about every single color, but I feel like it's a dupe because of this little insignia right here. I know it's not exact, but I think you get what it's trying to do there, if you know what I'm saying. So I don't know if that brand has a hat like this, or maybe they just wanted to use this kind of like insignia, but either way, when I first saw that, that's my first thought went to that. So that's what I thought. Okay, then I have these two makeup bags from Temu. And if you look on the front, see what it says right there? I think we know what that's implying. And so I have two of these. These were cheap. I think these were like under $2. So I think they're really nice. And of course, Victoria's Secret, they always have like the gold and, pink stripe type of situation. It's just a makeup bag with a lanyard. The lanyard part's really nice, like very nice right there. So I'm very sure that, these are definitely inspired by Victoria's Secrets, for sure. So really think they're super cute. Much cheaper on Temu to get something that's inspired by. So love those. All right, I'm going to show you 3 products that I found that I love, okay? So what these 3 products duplicate or are inspired by is the Clinique's Black Honey lippy. Now I'm not wearing a lippy, so we'll put one of these on, but all three of these are literal dupes for them. This one comes from Temu. It's the brand is Milori. Lake Rain also has one of these. It's tinted lip balm, sheer lipstick. I don't think they put like a color on here, but even the packaging looks very Clinique-ish, if you know what I'm saying. So let me open this one. I haven't even opened this one yet. I buy several of these on Temu because very, very, very close to Clinique. And the packaging for Clinique looks very much like this. So this is what it looks like. It literally is the same exact color as Black Honey. So I'm going to put this one on my hand and we'll compare all of these. But I can tell you, I thought I had a Black Honey upstairs, but I can't find it. But I will tell you, and this has a little scent to it. Like it has a little peach scent, which Clinique does not. But this color is so close to it. So close, you guys. I mean, so close. And the tube is even very similar. The Clinique one looks just like this. Just like this. Now, along the same lines, e.l.f. Cosmetics has one as well. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics in the color Black Cherry. So I think this is what they call a sheer slick lipstick. And this is the color Black Cherry. And you will see how similar all of these are. This one's really pretty too. This one doesn't really have a scent. But see how very, very, very close they are? This one looks like it's coming across a little bit pinkier on the screen. This is actually more of the Black Honey. It's so close, you guys, so close. The third kind of inspired by dupe is this lip balm. It's the Blackberry Lip Care by Nivea. It is a blackberry color. It's burgundy tinted. It's very, very close too. This one is definitely more like a moisture repair type of lip balm. Very, very close to Black Honey as well. This is what she looks like. She smells fruity. And they're all three different colors, but they're all three very much the same. If I had to pick one of these two, especially this one, reminds me more of the Black Honey. So the Temu one is the top one. The e.l.f. one is this one. The Nivea gives off a little more pinky. But these two are very close. This one's probably the closest to Black Honey, I would say, by looking at them. But they're all very, very close. Definitely a dupe for the original Clinique Black Honey. And the Clinique box looks very much like this. And this is what it actually looks like. This is what the tube actually looks like. So those are all great dupes for that. Next up, I have these pair of earrings from Temu. I paid $1.59 for these. These are the Clover-esque type of earrings. This very much reminds me of Van Cleef & Arpels earrings. Very expensive brand. Very beautiful. They have, you know, I mean, for $1.59 and you can kind of dupe it. I mean, that's pretty nice. So check out if you go on Temu and you type in Clover jewelry, it'll pop up a bunch of stuff that looks like, that has that Clover-esque type of look to it. Very, very VCA looking. Here's another example of that. This is a necklace and it was $2.46 from Temu. Really, really pretty. It actually matches these earrings. So it's got the VCA type of clover, and then there's some rhinestones in there as well. Really pretty, you guys. And this is actually very, very well made, to be honest with you. So it's a nice kind of long necklace. But I really like this. For being a VCA dupe, I think it's kind of nice. And I mean, this was $3 and this was $2. So there you go with that. Here's another one. I always look for these. I always look for the little clover jewelry. You guys, I'm obsessed with anything that looks like Van Cleef & Arpels. So this one was $1.80. This is very, very lightweight. It's silver with silver chain bracelet with black and silver clovers. Really pretty. Very lightweight though. Not wonderfully made because, you know, it almost feels kind of plasticky more than metal. But still, I mean, for $1.80, really, really cute bracelet. That's what she looks like on. I mean, it is cute. So, nice little layering piece. And then one more of the VCA type of items. This one was $1.74. I've had these in my stash for a while, guys. I probably have hauled these before because every time I look up Clover jewelry on Temu, I always, you know, a bunch pops up. And of course this one is out of control. There we go. There we go. She's long. She is long. And on one side of these clovers, they are rhinestones. So, you know, to get them to lay right is probably going to be a hassle for me to show you, but we're going to do our best. We're doing our best, besties. So, can you see the rhinestones in there? Really pretty. This one feels better than the bracelet does. But I mean, you could even wear them on the other side, honestly. They're really pretty on the other side too. But it's just a nice little sparkly necklace. There's the rhinestone. So you could really honestly wear it on either side. But this is just a really pretty layering necklace. It would look pretty with the necklace that I have on too. So love that. And then one of the last things that I found, I also found on Temu. These look just like Tory Burch earrings. So definitely inspired by, for sure. I don't have a price on these. I don't know why I didn't write the price down. I think I just got these. But they're definitely very, very Tory Burch-like. Totally look like Tory Burch. I don't even know if you guys can really like see them. They're like rhinestone around the edge, and then the center has like a bar, but very Tory Burch inspired. Really pretty, and they're actually very well made. So really nice. Really pretty. So I will try and link some of this down below, you guys, so that you can find it potentially on Temu. And then I will try and put it's just hard because I don't know if this specific brand has those actual things or if the companies were just duping, you know, if they were just inspiring or impressioned by the names. So I'm not sure, but I'll do my best, I promise. Or if you don't see a link for something, please let me know. Also, thank you so much for watching this collab video. I want to thank Trendy True North and The Loving Klutzes for inviting me. Make sure to watch all the other videos. I'll have a playlist with everybody's video down below. Again, there's 26 or 27 of them, so it might take me like the rest of tonight to make sure I get everybody added in there. But okay, you guys, ultimate collab video, lots of haulers in here, lots of people, so maybe there's someone you haven't seen yet that you might really enjoy, so go check it out. All right, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to fill out the form below in the description box. I'll try and pin it in the comments too. Get in on my giveaway, and then I'll do a gift card for you for $50 for whatever store. I'll make sure I ask you what store you like so I can send that over to you via email. Okay, that way I can do it for all of my international people. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!